Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow backlink. So this website are related for the fitness industry or the health industry. So if your businesses are related to this, so you can create your backlink. Otherwise you can also want you to increase your do follow backlink list, so you guys can also create your backlink on that website. So the website name is bodyspace.bodybuilding.com, and now we can before they started we can research something. So according to Acharya, this website having 83 domain rating, and according to SimilarWeb, this website having 129.7k total visitors, and the mostly traffic from USA, UK, Canada, Spain, Brazil. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you want to increase crawlability, audience and the brand awareness from specific your targeted country, so you can create your backlink on that website. And according to Moj, this website having 86 domain authority, and the spam score is only 1%. So everything is perfect for the backlink creation process. So before they started, if you guys are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button if you want to help me something. Okay, so this is a website dashboard, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. So now you can see top of the right corner there is a profile button. You can click over there, and there is a create an account button, so you can click simply. Then you can choose your brand name, then you can choose your password, then you can click to create account button. And you have to wait a couple of seconds because this website take a might 5 to 10 seconds for the profile creation. And after that this website can send you a verification email on your email ID, so you can verify your profile. So now our profile has been created almost, and now we can check if we receive a verification email. So now we got it. So simply you can activate your profile. So our profile has been activated. We received a pop-up message, and there you can see in the top of the right corner there is a dashboard button. You guys have to click over there, and simply you can go with a manage profile button, and there you can choose your real name. So suppose that you can choose your business person management name. So let me check who is our founder. Mandeep Singh. Then after that you can choose your gender. Then you can choose your date of birth, and you can choose your specific targeted country. So for the which country your businesses are related. So United States. Then after that you can add your addresses. So this is our address. So let me copy it and paste it over there, and this is our postal code, and the country is USA. Then after that you can choose your started opportunity here, 1999. Then select the month. Then you can add your about your company. So simply I can copy the copied content. I can going to copy the content from my website, but in your case you can generate a fresh content. And if you want for the backlink, so simply you guys can add a simple code. So you guys have to choose go with HTML hyperlink. Then after that you guys can add your link and your targeted keyword. So ahref. There you can add your website URL. Then you can close it. Then you can add your targeted keyword. So video interview software. Then after that you can close this tag. Then you can click for the save button. So our changes has been saved, and now you can go with your dashboard section. Manage your profile. Let me check where is our backlink. Yeah. So you can see, uh, yeah. So there you can see this is our profile URL, profile landing page URL. And after that, if you are not able to found your profile landing page URL, so simply you guys can add after your username, then you guys are able to found. And after that, you guys can go with about me section, and there you guys will see this is our backlink. So video interview software, we got a contextual backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So it's a high quality do follow backlink. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can also provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access easily all the details if you want. So okay yaar, bye bye, take care. And for the last, if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay yaar, so bye bye and take care.